Good morning, all. Our next chapter is chapter 5 WordPad. See this. This is the screen of WordPad. How to start WordPad? Click on Start, All Program, Accessory, and WordPad. WordPad is a WordPad program you can see in accessories. But in my computer, I directly open WordPad. First, the screen of WordPad. Okay, the first part of the screen is a title bar. It displays the name of current document. By default, WordPad title file name is a document. Here you can see the name of file is document. यहाँ पे फाइल का कोई नाम दिया गया अभी नहीं है, इसलिए इसका नाम आएगा document. So this is our title bar and there is 3 buttons in our title bar. See this is a quick access toolbar. You can modify quick access toolbar. With the help of this, you can quickly access some command. It is located at the top of the WordPad window and contains some buttons such as save, undo, redo, etc. So this is our quick access toolbar. Next is a menu bar. There is 3 menu in menu bar. It consists of some basic options like creating new file, open file, save file, printing, customize, etc. Next is a ribbon. It contains command. There is a ribbon. It contains command in the form of buttons. And see this is a ruler. It is like a scale which shows the width of paper. रूलर से आप पेपर की विड्थ देख सकते हो. And this is a white working area. In this working area you can type your text. This is a zoom option. With the help of zoom option you can zoom in, zoom out your screen. Tab. It is used to insert multiple equivalent space by single click. So this is a basic structure, basic screen of your Word. Now first of all, create a new document. Click on File menu and click on New button. When you click New, you can see the blank document where you can type your text. This is my school. Okay. Then after select your text. After selecting, you can format it. See this, with the help of font size, you can increase the font of your document. With the help of font type, you can change the font. With the help of grow font, you can grow font and you can shrink your font. Bold, use for dark your text. Italic, you can see the text little bit slanting. Underline, with the help of you can underline your text. So this is our basic commands. Again, this is a font style or a font type. With the help of this, you can change your font style. This is a size, font size. You can change the font size. A. This is a grow font for make it bigger, and this is a shrink font for make it smaller. And these 3 button bold, change the heavier font, italic, change to italic, and underline for underline, for draw line below the text. So next is a font color. With the help of this you can change the color of your font. This is used for highlighting, highlight for background color. See this way you can give color and highlight also. So this is a basic font group commands. This all command are font group command. Next is a paragraph group. Paragraph group used for edit paragraph. For example, this is our paragraph. Now select all the document, and this is alignment, left align, center align, for right align, and justify. So this way you can align your text. This is a basic paragraph command. Now this is a bullets list, bullets and numbering. So after clicking on this you can give a order to your text. So with the help of this you can give different bullets, different numbering. See this is option of numbering. You can give 1 2 3 numbering also. With the help of this you can make a list with this command. For example, first of all, color, I choose here 1 red. When you press enter key you can see automatically display number 3 green, orange. This way you can make a list in WordPad program. Now you can make another list like fruits. Now see, we select bullets. Now we select bullets. Okay, now click this way you can make a list, bulleted list and number list with the help of your toolbar, with the help of this ribbon. So this is a basic command of paragraph group. Now after make a file, we save it, file menu and save command. When you click on save you can see this, you have to give a file name. यहाँ पे आपको file name देना पड़ेगा. तो you can write file name here. For example, program or a P1. So now click on save button. See this P1 WordPad. अब आपकी फाइल का नाम ऊपर टाइटल बार में आ जाएगा. फाइल का नाम क्या है? P1 है. So you can see your file name here. Next is file menu, open command. Open command is used to open your file. With the help of this command you can open, select and open your file. Next command is print command. What is the use of print command? See this. If you want to give a print of this, you can click on print command. You have to select your printer name and give the option how many print you want and click on print. This way you can print your document. So this is our basic command. Next is WordPad allows simple formatting, changing font, character level, जो हमने ऑलरेडी देख लिया है. कोई भी कमांड अप्लाई करने से पहले उसे सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, जो हम माउस से भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और वी कैन सिलेक्ट बाय कीबोर्ड ऑल्सो. कोई टेक्स्ट लिखा है, I love my country. With the help of mouse you can select like this. Okay, select one word, click the left of the word and hold it mouse down and drag the right. This way one word को select करने के लिए ऐसे हम select कर सकते हैं with the help of mouse. Same thing we can do with the help of keyboard. To select one word, position the cursor to the left of the word. Press and hold Ctrl Shift. Then press the right arrow key. See this. Right arrow key से आप एक word और sentence भी select कर सकते हैं. So selection के लिए हम mouse और keyboard का use कर सकते हैं. Okay. So some basic commands we learned today. Next command is next and last command is exit. How to exit from your program? File menu and exit. This way you can close your program, and this is a close button. Save yes. This way you can close your program. So how to start program accessories and WordPad. So this is our basic WordPad functions and screen we learned today.